Today I'll be showing you how easy you can make an amazing cream potato and bacon soup. Let's do it! For today's recipe, you need about 4 or 5 slices of streaky bacon, or American bacon if you want to call it this way, but this is just perfect because you want to get some of that fat out of the bacon. Together with the bacon, I'm also adding about 15 grams of butter. This works perfectly in cream soups, but if you want to keep it low in fat, just keep it. And you want to cook the bacon for about 15 minutes or until it gets golden brown in color, but just make sure that you keep it on medium-low heat so it renders all that fat slowly. And for this we need about 2 white onions, together with about 3 cloves of garlic. Just chop them roughly, they will go in a pan. The soup is gonna get pureed, so nothing to worry about, you don't need to be that precise. And by the way, if you want to turn this into a leek and potato soup, you are so close, and all you have to do is just remove one of the onion and just replace it with about 3 spears of leek, and that should do the job. Moving on to the potatoes, you want to choose something like King Edward's or Maurice Piper, and you need about 6 medium potatoes, that should do the job. I wouldn't choose a waxy potato variety just because your soup will turn kind of gluey, especially using that much potato for a single soup, so try to stick to Floury, you'll get best results. Try to chop them up kind of in similar sizes so they cook in the same time, and after that get them under cold water and rinse them properly until the water comes nice and clean. When the bacon is nice and golden brown in color and is crispy, you want to take it off the heat. And what you want to do now, keep the fat in and you're gonna add the onion and the garlic. We need to cook the onion and the garlic for about 5 minutes or until the onion starts becoming translucent. After that you can go ahead with the potatoes. Once we have all the ingredients into the pan, we are to add about 1.5 liters of veg stock, or you can go with chicken stock if you want to, this is totally up to you. And at this point you want to add the seasoning, about 1/4 tablespoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grounded black pepper. Now get the lid on and cook the potatoes for about 20 minutes, and what you don't want to do is turn them into potatoes for mash, because once blending the soup is gonna turn very gluey and it's something that you want to avoid. As always mentioned, when you're making pureed soups, you want to start with less liquid, so in case you need to adjust the consistency and make it slightly thinner, you can definitely do so, but you can't really do the other way around. When blending, you can add 100 or 2 of dairy cream, or you can simply add it at the end as decoration, and after that you want to add some of that crispy bacon on top, and you can obviously finish the dish with some chives to give it some extra color.